Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the CSI Construction Specification Institute 50 divisions. These divisions used to be 16. 2004, they were actually modified. CSI master format, which is basically the organization of the division, is widely used to organize the organizations, firms, institutions that work together, construction, architecture, engineering, and allied fields, so they have a sense of organization. There is a standardization, and it helps us all to communicate better. These 50 divisions, as I said, were modified in 2004. They are in my course syllabus. It's important for you to go to the website, as it's posted here, website of Construction Specification Institute, and find out what is the latest changes, what are the latest changes in the CSI. There are also fantastic blogs in that area. Let me go there. So here is CSI master format, and it talks about the master format, how it was composed, what are the latest changes. You can go to the latest blogs. For example, this particular blog is by the director of the CSI, and it talks about the sustainable cities, and it's going to impact the divisions soon, and it talks about modular buildings, and it talks about various ways that you can actually do that. So please stay on top of it by going to these sites from time to time and read the blogs and stay updated. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint presentation with respect to the divisions. So there are 50 divisions. We're going to start with Division 1, which has to do with the general requirements. I'm going to go over that in a second. Division 2, which is about existing conditions. Let me just quickly go over it. So Division 1 is general requirements. It would have summary, price, payments, procedure, administrative requirements, quality requirements, temporary facilities and control, product requirements, execution requirements, facility operation, and so on. So it is mostly the paperwork directly linked to the contract documents, which identifies the work requested by the owner, purchase contracts, summary of the contracts, and the work sequence, and the contract interface. It's very important to know that. So that's in Division 1. So then we go on to Division 3. But before I talk about that, let me just quickly go through here. So Division 2 is existing conditions. Division 3 is concrete. We'll get into it in detail. I'm going to go back. Division 4 is masonry. Division 5 is metals. Division 6 is wood, plastics, and composite. In ARC 133, concrete, masonry, metals, woods, the core architectural materials used for structure are covered in that class in detail. Here we review it as it pertains to this class. Focus of this class will be on Division 7 to 14, fire codes, specifications, and AIA contract documents. All right. So with that in mind, we're going to start with Division 3, concrete review. We go into Division 5, metals, structural materials review. Division 6, wood and plastics, major structural material review. Then we start with Division 7 after that. So let me continue. Division 15 and 16 are, 15 and 16 are reserved for future. Division 20 to 29 has to do with facility services, fire suppression system, plumbing system, heating and air conditioning system, electrical system. Division 30 to 39 has to do with site and infrastructure group. Earthwork, exterior improvements, utilities, transportation, waterway, and marine. Divisions 40 to 49 are reserved for equipment subgroup. Material process handling, all the IT process handling, pollution control. That future city control link also is going to be here. Any kind of cyber control will be also plugged in here. So Division 1 I covered. Division 2 is